who is most merciful and gracious. Honorable President, respected teachers, dear Chief Guest, and my lovely fellows and audience, Assalamu alaikum. I feel immense proud and privileged to stand in front of you on this occasion. Today my topic of speech is the constructive role of youth in a nation building. It's crystal clear that youth are the active and distinct part of the nation. Therefore, the rise and fall of the nation is related to the good and bad behaviors of them. If they play their active and constructive role, they can uplift their nation. About 30% of population is comprising of youth. This huge strength can reshape the future of a nation. A script was written on the gate of an African university that if you want to deteriorate a nation, then just deteriorate their education, and consequently, the nation and sculpture of the country will be destroyed. Incompetent doctor will kill the patient, incompetent engineer will collapse the building and bridge, and incompetent economist will bankrupt the country. Mr. President, the future of a nation is dependent on youth, and the future of youth is related to quality education. The quality education can mold youth who can build a nation. Islam has attached extraordinary value and importance to youth. The Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam has high esteem for youths. He valued them and reposed a strong confidence in them. He spent his youth in a dignified and sublime way. He became an active member of the League of Virtue, the Peace Committee. As a fuel is responsible for producing an ignition spark in the engine, the same way youth is for the nation. It acts as a driving force of the nation. The all-round development and power of the people depend upon the power and potential of the people residing over there, and major contribution owes to the youth of that nation. Any nation is counted for its progress and development made in terms of technologies, research, science, medicine, that is, economical, social, political, and cultural. The same is marked when the youth is sincerely giving by putting up with their efforts. A beautiful saying of Nelson Mandela that youth of today are leaders of tomorrow is true and applicable in each and every aspect. The youth lays the foundation of development for any of the nation. In short, our youth has the power to build a nation, so we must give them opportunity. They are the future and they are the perspective which the older generation lack. Their zeal and enthusiasm must be channelized to help a nation prosper and flourish. The young have passions, dreams, and hopes. The young have passions, dreams, and hopes. The youth of a country is the future of a nation and represent the most dynamic section of the population. Thus, the involvement of youth in national development is must. Youth and their action contribute to the development of a nation. They are a crucial segment of a nation's development. The value of a country is known by its people. It is the intelligence and work of the people that lead towards the development. In fact, youth play one of the important role in nation building. Youth are not only leaders of tomorrow, but partners of today. If our youth seriously start working for the development of a nation, they become an active members and can contribute immensely to its progress. There are three key elements that contribute to the progress of a nation. These are education, employment, and empowerment. The hunger, desire, motivation, determination, and high energy of youth can make all difference in either destroying or building a nation. A nation develops at a steady pace when their youth are educated and their education is put to the right use. Their contribution, therefore, is highly needed. After all people can only exercise their full potential when they are young and energetic. Thus, the power of youth should be used wisely for the progress of a nation. Youth is that period in which revolutionary thoughts come to the mind, and these thoughts shape the world we live in. It is important to frame the policies that aim at empowering of youth to assure better tomorrow and a better and a brighter future. As Iqbal said, मोहब्बत मुझे इन नौजवानों से है, मोहब्बत मुझे इन नौजवानों से है, सितारों पर जो डालते हैं कमन। वस्सलाम। थैंक यू।